Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got another limited edition unboxing. It's from Cult Beauty and it's the Sen-ready edit. This is the limited edition I get excited for year after year. This is still available on their website. It costs £42 and it has value of £205. It says, "You asked and we delivered, back by popular demand. Say hello to this year's curated collection of high-performing SPFs and sun-ready saviours. Protecting and caring for yourself from head to toe has never been so easy. All that's missing is a sun hat." You'll find links to this box down below in my description. You don't usually find a code against their boxes, but you never know, there might be. If I do find anything, you'll see it down there, as well as all my other discount codes and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, let's open it up then and see what's inside. There's no booklet, but all the products can be purchased off the Cult Beauty website. So if you want more information about them, there's no booklet. As far as I'm aware anyway, they never usually put a booklet telling you about the products. So let's start off with products that I know and I love. Oh, this is so good for chub rub. I got chunky thighs and I have to use this. I have to use a balm in the summer months or else my legs go red raw. I have got the full size version of this one. This size is really handy to put in my handbag. This is called Megababe. It's Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. And there's 23 grams there. So it's a little mini one. I've recently come back from Greece. I went to Rhodes for a couple of nights with my youngest son last week and I forgot to bring my balms with me and I wear dresses all the time. My legs weren't happy with me. To be honest, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that hot, so it wasn't too sweaty and horrible. You squidge it up like that and you just rub it in then. Woo! Yeah, you just top it up throughout the day, as and when needed, really. It's such a great balm. Really, really good. Then we've got some SPF. This is by Supergoop and this is Play. This is High Protection SPF 50. Everyday lotion with sunflower extract, very water resistant, and there's 71 mils here. I love this brand. If it's really hot and I'm wearing like sleeveless tops like this, got a handbag so it rubs off, so I always carry an additional SPF with me, and I found this one to be really nice, really quick and easy to absorb into the skin and really lightweight as well. Yeah, I do really like this brand. Next, we've got some vitamin D. This is by Hum and this is Here Comes the Sun D3 without the UV damage, and there's 30 soft gels in there. And they recommend you take one a day. And what is it's 2000 IU. Without supplements, my body doesn't absorb vitamin D well and it's always deficient. I've been on D3 supplements for 10 odd years, something like that. I have blood tests now and again just to make sure I'm doing all right. I just struggle to absorb it through nutrition and sunlight, obviously, so I do need the supplement. But a lot of us, especially in the UK, tend to have lower vitamin D levels. Ultraviolet, really great brand, amazing SPFs. This is SPF 50 Sheen Hydrating Lip Balm and this is in shimmer. I've had this one before and I've had a tinted one as well. Can you see? Really great if you've got dry lips as well. It's very hydrating. It's quite a thick balm. So you've got the high sun protection and the hydration there as well. And the shimmer. So it's very subtle, just a very subtle shimmer, but it's really pretty. So there's that. Next we've got Lancome. This is Sun Beauty Sublime Tan. This is Body Milk. This is SPF 15, medium protection, UVA sunscreen, and there's 50 mils there. I haven't ever tried this, so I can't tell you anything about it. I have received it in different beauty boxes before. The reason why is because it's SPF 15. That is just way too low for me. I've had skin cancer in the past. I've had malignant melanoma. Unfortunately, it runs in the family and my auntie passed away from it a couple of years ago. I am really cautious about my skin, hence why I love these boxes so much. I look forward to them coming out every year. The lowest I go is SPF 30 and that's usually in the winter. In the summer, I'm factor 50 on my face and on my body all the time. I would never use a 15, but this is just for me personally because I'm obviously at high risk of getting cancer again. Hopefully not, but you never know. So I have to be careful, so I'll be passing that on. There, we've got Philip Kingsley. This is a Swimcap. Shields hair from chlorinated and salt water. Water-resistant mask, and there's 75 mils here. 75 mils. I am really, really excited about this. Apply in sections to damp hair and comb through. Leave on hair to guard against effects of sun and water while swimming and sunbathing. And then to remove, you just rinse it out and then double shampoo. That is so, so good. Normally I just put a load of conditioner on my hair, tie it up in a bun. But no, an actual hair mask that should protect it. I like that. It's called Swimcap. If you've tried this, let me know what you think. Then we've got Megababe. Megababe is such an amazing brand. I love the Hydrating, I love the peptide cream, I like the retinol serum. Oh, it's such a good brand. This is Advanced Day Ultimate Protect. I like this as well. I didn't realise which one it was until now because I haven't had a proper look. I just saw it because the preview had been up for a good couple of weeks or a month or so, you know, saying it's coming soon. And then as soon as it became live, I bought it without looking. This is Anti-Define Moisturiser with Photolaze. There's SPF 50 plus and there's 50 mils here. I've still got a little bit left of mine. It does leave it a little bit tacky, but that's fine because I usually put makeup on top and then it all blends in together and it's all fine. It's not as thin as, say, like La Roche-Posay and Thelios, the fluid cream or the invisible fluid. I love that. That's a really gorgeous SPF as well. That is a very liquidy, still an SPF 50. This is more of a cream, a more luxurious cream, but it is a moisturiser as well. So it's got the added benefits there as well as the SPF. It has UVA and UVB protection, so you've got the anti-aging in there as well. And yeah, I'm really glad that I got another one. Then, all sealed up, we've got Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is Aloe Vera Gel, 125 mils. So is this like an after sun? What's it say? 90% pure organic aloe leaf juice and provides intensive skin soothing and moisture. Aloe vera supports skin regeneration and reduces the appearance of irritation. The refreshing gel is suitable for daily use on the face and body. It is also recommended for use after sunbathing, waxing or epilation to calm the skin. That just sounds just like a really handy product to have in your house, doesn't it? There's a little information booklet in there as well. There, try a little bit on my hand here. Very nice, keep that in the fridge. Nice and cooling. I can imagine that being really nice after you've come in, you know, from a hot day and wanted to cool down, and yeah, lovely. So yeah, so there's that. And then lastly, they've added in a little sample. This is ZitSticka MEGASHADE SPF 50 Breakout Proof Sunscreen Serum. UVA, UVB, broad spectrum, won't block pores for sensitive skin. And there's 7 mils there. And something I'm sure my daughter would really like to use. Helps prevent sunburn. Higher SPF gives more sunburn protection. Decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. It's a sunscreen specifically for acne-prone skins that won't clog pores. Yeah, that sounds really great. MEGASHADE. What's it called? ZitSticka. So there you go, those are all the products in the Cult Beauty Sun Ready edit. It's a limited edition box they bring out every year and I am really chuffed with it. I said Lancome before, it's Lancaster. Got it wrong. Besides this, everything else I'll be using. So it's definitely worth it for me. Paid £42 and it has a value of 205. So yeah, I'll be passing that on, but really chuffed with the other products in there. Some of them I've used before, some of them are new. So no, really happy with it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Did you go for it, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.